y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, today I will be doing a long overdue try-on haul. I got these clothes maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I'm just now doing the try-on haul for it just because I haven't had any time whatsoever, but we're here today nonetheless. These clothes are from Shein.com, and it's just like a really cheap website that sells, like, you know, like, I don't even know if they sell men's clothes actually. Oh yeah, they do. So they sell women's clothes, curvy girl clothes, men's clothes, and kids clothes. So their clothes are really cheap. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. They're not paying me to say any of these things. I wish they were. So Shein, if you're watching this video, kindly send me some money. So I'm going to just go through the different items in every outfit that I have on. And obviously you can mix and match any of these outfits however you want them to. This is just how I put them together, just so I can try on the least amount of outfits while actually getting every single thing that I bought in the outfit. So we're going to start with this melanin shirt and these green biker shorts. So the biker shorts are called the Shein Neon Lime Elastic Waist Legging Shorts, and I got them in a size large, and they were $5. And they look just like this. You can see them in the picture, I mean in the little clip in the bottom of the screen, but they're just neon green. As you can see, they're really stretchy. They're a little see-through, so if you are going to be wearing these, you might want to consider some, of course, seamless underwear, as well as maybe black, something that doesn't have any patterns or prints on them, because they are see-through. And for the shirts, it's just melanin. It just says melanin, and it's like the Friends. Have you ever seen Friends? It's like the Friends logo. And I thought this is super cute because it's like basic but at the same time cute. And I just tied it in a little knot, but of course you don't have to tie it in a knot if you do not want to, but I did, and I thought it was really cute. So the next thing I have is the Shein Neon Orange Crop Tube Top and Short Set. That was a lot to say. And they're just this bright neon orange short set, the bandeau top at the top, and then shorts at the bottom, obviously. And I got this in a size large, and this was $7. Only reason I got this in a large is because my bottom area is large, but my top is like a small. So this is kind of big for me. I wish I would at least got a medium. You can't mix and match, so you can't get a medium bottom and a small top. You have to get the same size for both, which is why I got a large, but just keep that in mind. These are really cute. I can't remember if this was see-through or not. Yeah, I think they are see-through. So with all of these shorts that I'm going to show, I think they're all kind of see-through. So just keep the same tips I said for the neon green shorts into consideration. So the next thing I have are these gray biker shorts, which are called Shein Highway Solid Biker Shorts, and I got them in a size large, and they were $5, and they just look like this. And then I also paired this with this graphic tee, which says that melanin though, and this shirt is called Figure in Letter Print Tee, and I got this in a size large. The picture on the front is really thick. The shirt itself is thin. I mean, it's still really cute. I think it's adorable. And the shorts, once again, like I said before, are see-through, so you want to make sure that you have something that's not going to be too showing. The next thing I have is this white bandeau top, which looks like this, and these pink neon elastic waist biker shorts in a size large, and they were $5.50, not $5, $5.50. And they're inside out, so let me flip them back. So this is what they look like. It has a thick band right here at the top. The elastic on the inside is, no, it's not flipped. It's a tiny elastic right here, but it only goes from here to here, so it's not a long elastic. You would think it would cover from here to here, but it doesn't. It's super stretchy, as you can see. They're a nice length. They probably come to my knees, but you can see in the little clip that's playing down below. The next thing I have is this Shein Drop Shoulder Gesture Print Top in the color yellow, obviously. And I got this in a size medium, but it's like a oversized tee, kind of. So it fits big. So if you wanted it more fitted, I would say go a size down. But this shirt was $9.35. And yeah, I can see this shirt being tied, or even if you wanted to buy it and then cut it into like a crop top, I think that'd be cute as well. And I just paired it with Shein men drawstring waist leather heather gray shorts, and I got them in an extra large. I got them really big because I didn't want these to fit tight, because I feel like sweatpants are not supposed to fit tight, and these are like sweatpants shorts. So I got them in an extra large, and the side says freedom, and it also has a drawstring that is actually a drawstring. It's not just for decoration. You can actually adjust it if need be. And yeah, so the next thing I got are these Shein wide waistband slogan tape cycling shorts, and they look like this. They have a little cute orange detailing right here, if it will focus. It just says stay positive. And then I also put on this black bandeau that I got from Shein as well, and it looks like this. And what I like about this bandeau top is that it has this little plastic thingy, so it prevents it from sliding off so easily. Yeah, so like the plastic will stick to your body and it won't slide. It'll be harder for it to slide down, and I really like that. Okay, so the next thing I have is this yellow shirt with a black woman on the front with red lipstick on and an afro, and I thought this was so freaking cute, especially because yellow on dark skin, it always pops, just always does. And this shirt is called a round neck figure print tee, and I got this in a size large, and it was $7.65. And I got all the shirts in a large size because I wanted them to all be oversized, because I was shopping for like classes, what stuff I can wear to class. And I paired them with these black biker shorts that are called Shein mesh insert solid cycling shorts, and they look like this. They have the little mesh design, if I could turn them inside out, I mean right side in, I guess that's how you say it. And they just have a mesh design right here, and I think that's really cute. Shein ribbed biker shorts. So yeah, they are a ribbed material. They're really thin though. They have a good stretch to it, but like I said, I think these will be see-through too, because I can see straight to the camera just by doing that. So with this, you definitely want to wear black underwear, nothing colored whatsoever. And that's that. And then the last thing I have, I actually did not even try it on, but I'm just gonna say it anyway, because now that I'm thinking about it, I don't even remember putting the shirt on. Okay, so I honestly don't know where that shirt is, but I took a picture in it. I remember wearing it. I took a picture in it, so I'm gonna insert the picture like right here as I'm talking. But the name of the shirt is called Car and Letter Print Tee, and it was like a race car track shirt, and it has like a lot of blue detailing in it, which is why I wear blue biker shorts with it. So with all of that being said, that concludes this try on haul. I hope y'all enjoyed. Sorry I didn't have the last t-shirt to wear, but I have a picture like I said. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you want me to try on clothes, if you want me to try clothes from any other company, I'm probably gonna do a Pretty Little Things try on haul, just because I never even ordered from there before. I think I ordered there once, but I only got like 1 or 2 things. I didn't get like a whole bunch of stuff. I also want to do a Boohoo try on haul, so I might do that one as well. I'm gonna see. I'll figure out which one I want to do, and I will do that because fall time is coming up soon, so I'm trying to get a lot of fall stuff. I also want to do a Wish try on haul. I had a bad experience with Wish my freshman year, but we're gonna give them a chance again and see what I can get, see if it's a hit or miss, because y'all know Wish is like the knockoff stuff. Like, you think you get one thing, but you get like the complete opposite. So we're gonna see what they have done to change over the years. I might do that. But yeah, if y'all, like I said, y'all give this video a thumbs up, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, so I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.